Get ready for a cinematic journey like no other. India's traditional pigeon-flying practice takes center stage in an upcoming film, and is a story you won't want to miss. Jitendra Kumar, a talented actor known for his diverse roles in streaming series and films, is set to lead this unique project. He will portray a dedicated pigeon keeper, a role that delves into the socially rooted narrative of India's pigeon-flying tradition. But here's where it gets controversial. Kumar's co-star, Pooja Bhatt, an Indian National Film Award winner, will play his on-screen mother. Bhatt, who has previously explored dramatic roles in award-winning films, brings her talent to this unique story. The film, produced by Kyoto Madon's Not Out Entertainment, is a reunion for Kumar and co-producer Hitesh Kewalya, who previously worked together on Shub Mongol Zyada Sovdan. Kewalya, a seasoned writer and director, brings his expertise to the project. First-time feature director Bilal Hasan will helm this intriguing tale. Hasan, who has already earned a Filmfare Award nomination for his short film Chap Chap, is set to make his mark with this culturally significant project. The story unfolds in the captivating world of homing pigeons and rooftop flying, a tradition that continues in certain Indian neighborhoods and pigeon racing communities worldwide. It's a practice that blends culture, passion, and a unique connection with these beautiful birds. Not Out Entertainment is dedicated to bringing culturally specific projects to life, and this film is just the beginning. The production company is also working on Abhutpava, a romantic horror comedy set in 1990s Agra, and a horror film based on a real national tragedy. This untitled feature film promises to be a captivating exploration of India's rich cultural heritage. With a talented cast and crew, it's a project that will surely spark conversations and leave a lasting impression. And this is the part most people miss: the power of storytelling to bridge cultural gaps and bring us together. So, will this film be a soaring success or a controversial take on a beloved tradition? What do you think? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.